Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Miss Varsha Ki Pathshala. The next part that we are going to see is tokens, keywords, variable, constant, basic data types and operators in C++. Okay, so the first point is what? Token. What is meant by token? The smallest individual unit of program is called token. Okay, the smallest individual unit of program means what are the tokens used in C++? The tokens are keywords, then identifiers, constant, operators are the nothing but what? Tokens. Okay, so these tokens we will see one by one. So first one is what? Keyword. So what is meant by keyword? So keyword are those whose meaning is already known to the compiler. Okay, whose meaning is already known to the what? Compiler. So that is, the keywords are predefined or reserved words in C++. Keywords are what? Predefined or reserved words in C++ library. So what are the keywords used in C++? So the keywords are, for example, integer, character, else, if, long, while, void, auto, switch, public, protected, private. These are the keywords. Why we call these are the keywords? Because these meanings, these words have some meanings and it is already defined to what? It is already defined to a compiler. These are the predefined or reserved words. So these are the examples of keywords. Okay, then the next point is constants. Okay, the constants are what? The constants refer to a fixed value. Okay, the constant refers to a fixed value that does not change during the execution of program. It never change during the execution of program. So for example, there are some integer constants, float constant, character constants, then also string constants. So see the examples of the constant. So this is an integer constant 1 2 3, then character constant float constant 1 2 3.5, character constant a, then string constant abc. So these are the constants. So consider one C++ example, that is, you have to include first your header files, then void main, and then just give integer a is equals to 10. That means integer a is equals to 10 means what? This is a constant value. Okay, so we have to print this value like this, cout, by using standard input output function. So the output will be what? The output will be a 10 because we never change the value of a because it's a constant. Okay, so the next point is variable. So what is meant by variable? The variable are in C++ that we need storage for any value, that is a memory location. Okay, so which will change in program. So variable are the values which are changed during the program. Okay, so how to declare variable? So there is a syntax to declare a variable, that is data type variable name. Okay, so for example, integer a, character b, string abc, whatever, how you can declare your variable by using syntax, that is data type variable name. So again, the variable is what? That is, the variable is a name of memory location. It is used to store data. Okay, so as we know, the value of variable will changes in program. Consider one example, that is hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Again we include our header files, then void main, then integer a. Now we have to enter a value of a. So we enter a value of a. The program asks that enter a value of a, that is the value of a, my value of a is different, your value of a is different. That is a is what? Variable. A is what? Variable. That will change in the program. So difference between constant and variable means what? Constant does not change its value during a program, but variable changes its value during a program. Okay. So next point is data types in C++. So basically there are three data types in C++. First one is basic data type, then user defined data type, then derived data type. Okay, so basic data types means what? That is system defined data type. Okay, basic data types are means what? System defined data types. Okay, so there are integer, float, character. These are the basic defined data types. Then second point is user defined data type. User defined data types are means that data types are defined by users. That data types are defined by developer or users. That is a structure and class. And then third one is what? Derived data types. Derived data types are derived from the other data types by taking the reference of other data type. Okay, so these are the data types. The next point is operators in C++. So all C programming operators are valid in C++ programming, but they are having additional operators in C++. That are, first one is insertion operator, then extraction operator, scope resolution operator, pointer to member operator, pointer to member operator again, then pointer to member operator. These three having a different symbols. Okay, then next delete, that is it is used for to release the memory. Then new operator, it is used to allocate the memory. So these are the operators in C++. So assignment for students or those who are learn this subject newly, that is define token, define keyword, define identifier, define constant, define variable, enlist different operators in C++. Thank you.